just wanted to make a vlog. It's probably going to be kind of scattered everywhere. I'm starting it at, what is it, like 10 p.m.? It's like 10 p.m. right now.
Exactly 10.
It is?
Yeah.
The reason why I'm starting it now is because I got some like new stuff, and then I don't know when, maybe like the next few days I'm gonna change my oil in the car. So it's kind of just gonna be like a scattered vlog for you guys. I thought it'd be cool to share what I'm gonna be doing tonight because it's like one of my old hobbies and I've never really showed it to you guys. I decided this new year I want to try some new things, so I went ahead and got some stuff for it. So I haven't bought like trucks, grip tape for the board, which is new stickers, Iron Horse hardware, Spitfire wheels, the reds, bearings, the OGs. So I'm obviously going to grip the board first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put together the whole complete. I haven't really done it in a while, so it's kind of like really exciting and something like very different I haven't done in a while. Unless you're like one of my close friends, most of you guys don't know I used to skateboard when I was like, shoot, I was like 6th grade. I stopped skating in 6th grade.
Roll the clip.
I just want you to guess, why are there 2 silver bolts and the rest are like black? Why do you think there would be 2 colors?
I don't know, what the heck?
To let them know it's the front of the board.
Like a car?
Your nails don't even freaking too long. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Got the trucks on, we
Here it
got the
is.
wheels on. This is the complete look.
It took about like, well, like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That wheel gap. Gotta lower it some more though. I'm not gonna, obviously not gonna do tricks right now, but I don't know.
He's got a little
Maybe
bit
I'll
of,
have some skate
he's got a little
videos.
bit of magic in him still. We'll see.
Hopefully,
We'll
geez.
see.
I'll see what happens. Maybe some skate videos later. I don't know. I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow or the next day. So finally get to put this on. I'm so excited. My girlfriend actually got me this for Christmas. Super pumped on it. I've always wanted a LikeWise shift knob. She got me the black one. Looks so sick. But I had to get the adapters. She didn't know. So I just ordered the adapters and it took like a week literally because it's from Australia. So yeah, I've been waiting for so long for this, and then I finally get to put it on because it just came in last night. So I'll put that on right now, and yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like. Sick! Lit. That looks so sick. Way better than the stock one. Heck yeah. Let me know what you guys think. It looks so cool. I've always wanted a LikeWise shift knob. Sick. Box, making my breakfast, and I barely woke up like 2 hours ago. It's already like 2:44. The first AutoZone didn't have they have some oil change deal going on for like $30, I believe, and they didn't have the oil filter to complete that deal, so I have to go to a different one to get the deal. Jack in the Box has some like peppermint iced coffee thing going on. Looks and sounds bomb, but at the same time seems nasty. So we'll see how it tastes. Definitely loving this shift knob. Been driving with it for like a few days now. Freaking love it. It's so sick. This part is like super sharp though. But It's straight. I love it, man. I just need like a shift boot now, just to like make this whole interior look way better. Alright, first taste test. It's good, but it's not bad. I like the fake coffee, if that makes sense. Like the super sweet, you know, like Jack in the Box fake iced coffee, you know, like that doesn't even taste like coffee at all. It just tastes like milk. The peppermint's good, but you know, it's caramel's better. I just saw what was on my breakfast. You got that grande sausage. Alright, so let's try this again. Hopefully they have it here. Alright, so I made it back home. I've got some oil for the car, new filter of course, and with this, I don't know what this is, but injectors. I don't know, but cool. I got that for free. Pretty cool. Like wheel cleaner, detailer, a whole bunch of cool stuff like keychain, and this. I really want to try this out. Rim polish. So I'm probably gonna go wash the car right now, and then I'll put this stuff to use. I'll show you guys if my camera is still alive. And I'm probably not gonna show the oil change because I don't know. I've done that before on this channel, and it's kind of like boring. I don't think you guys really want to see me change my oil. So yeah, just a heads up on that. I dropped the freaking hose on the ground. It sprayed right in my nuts, dude. Dude, it looks like I pissed myself. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog on a shorter note. It got dark outside. I figured I'd just clean my wheels during the day on a different day. Plus it's gonna rain soon, so it's like I'd rather just like wait it out. And so yeah, hope you guys understand. I'll show you guys all that good Voodoo Ride stuff later. I'll put those products to use in another video, and I'll show you guys and probably do like a little review on them. I just didn't want to like rush it. It's gonna rain soon, so it's like there's really no point. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. So peace out. See you guys next video. Later.